Hi, I'm Brian Long, plant manager at Genesis Plastics Welding. Since we last spoke, I can tell you some of the strategic direction and ambitions that we have into the future. Recently, we partnered with Purdue University, who came in and taught us about lean manufacturing and Six Sigma, and also helped us focus on project management and internal auditing training. We've introduced new products into manufacturing. We're focused on KPIs, and we look at what's happening in the organization and directly tied to our business. So I think just a really secure foundation and a year of change and progress. We're looking at many different avenues to make Genesis a better place to work and for the employees. We're also focused on growth. We developed a new division, which you'll hear about. With all the operational improvements, it could lead to more hiring. I like to think in what I call the gray zone. And this is a zone that's just even outside of the box. You think of outside of the box thinking, this is even farther fetched and unfathomable ideas and things that we can use here to improve our processes. And if you'd like to see more information, please visit us at genesisplasticswelding.com.